Hi, all. I'm Ramesh from Besant Technologies BTM Private Branch. I'm glad to meet you people with one more placement success story. Today, one of our students, Ms. Jyoti Sri, got selected as a Java developer in a reputed company. Basically, she is from MCA 2024 passed out, and now she is going to share her interview experience and her training experience.
Hi, this is Jyoti Sri. I'm from Andhra. I have completed MCA in 2024 from JNTUA, and after that I have joined in the Besant Technologies. From here I have learned the Java full stack, and in that Java, Spring Boot, all I have learned. Prasanna sir told this Spring Boot nicely. So from this I gained so much of knowledge. After completing this course, Besant Technologies people give a chance for many interviews. Now I got selected as a Java developer. So thanks to Besant Technologies BTM.